Hi everybody, today I am going to show you how to insert a picture in Microsoft Word document. A picture like this. So let's delete the image first and get started from the very beginning. Here you can see in this tab next to home this insert tab. Click on this insert tab, then click on the picture icon, then locate the picture. In my case it's in the desktop. Then select the picture and click on the insert button. This will insert the image in your document. Now the picture is big, so we need to scale it down. So in here you can see there are few icons like this, small circle, then the square shape. These are the anchor points by using which you can scale the image down or make it bigger. So let's make this picture smaller. If we hover on this small square, a double headed arrow appears. Then you can just press the left mouse and drag it towards the right or left to shrink or make it bigger. Then you can say this way we can shrink the image, but as you can see the image get distorted. So the best way to scale it down without any distortion is by using this the small circle icon, means the on the topmost corner or the bottom corner. So let's undo it first. So let's drag that. Let's use this corner, drag it towards the, then drag it towards the left, towards the center of the image to shrink it properly without distortion, and release the mouse. Then again let's make it a bit smaller, drag the mouse, hold and drag the mouse towards the center of the image. Now release the mouse. So this way the image is smaller. Now let's arrange this picture. So whenever we select a picture, we can see this format tool appears, format menu. Under the format menu we have this arrange section. Under the arrange section, let's click on this wrap text, then on this flyover menu, just choose this one. True is the best option, I think. Click on true, then you can change it to anywhere like this. You can put the picture here, you can arrange as you like. So let's put this over here, and we can also do some adjustment. We can also position it to this right, left, middle, right. So let's select this image, then let's do some correction, color correction. We can do some color correction, like we can sharpen or soften the image using this predefined presets. This will soften 50%, or we can sharpen it, or we can also use this picture correction options. Click on here. Now you can brighten or increase the contrast or decrease the contrast using this slider. Let's increase the brightness by 6% or so, then click on close button. We can also add some color correction like color toning, then recolor. We can also, here the temperature is different, so we can make the picture a bit warmer or cooler using these predefined presets. Or we can also use these picture color options for more refinement. Just like temperature, we can increase or decrease the temperature towards the right to make it warmer, or towards the left to make it more cooler. So let's get it a bit warmer. Then even we can change the saturation level, then click close. We can also add some picture styles, like here we can this one simple frame or circular, or you get the idea. So this way we can make this rounded frame. You can click the image, and we can also crop the image using this crop tool, or crop to shape. You can use the crop in a circular way. Then we can also use this aspect ratio, like a square crop. Let's undo it first. Format, then crop. We can crop to 4 by 3 or 16 by 10, like this. We can crop this. Again, we can also add some artistic effect using this. Make the color, chalk skates, then pen strokes. We also have artistic effects options. We can play around it. We can also make this one remove background, but in this picture I don't think remove background will work. It's not its worst. Discard all changes. And here we can also set the picture border like this, different color effects, then picture effects. You can use these presets. That's it. Thank you for watching.